This is Philly Phil from Team Mazda Subaru. I just wanted to talk with all my customers out there. Whether you're looking for a vehicle, whether you bought a vehicle from me, or if you're just not in the market right now, I just wanted to let you know we are having some pretty incredible sales at this time. We have 4 sales going on. One of them is actually double your down payment. So if you put up to $4,000, we will match that. And then we also are having a $0 down or $10 down and drive away in a new vehicle. We also have a $2,000 for any type vehicle for push, pull, or carry, or push, pull, or drag. If you can give me a call, my number is 208-703-2343. We do have a referral program, so if you send somebody my way, I will definitely compensate you for that. It's nice getting a little bit of money just for referring somebody and they purchase from me. So I am in the internet department. I'm one of the internet sales managers over there, and I would love you to come in and talk with me. Just swim through all the car salesmen and say that you want to come and talk to Philly. Talk to you soon.